everybody? What's going on, boys and girls? I hope everybody enjoyed their weekend, but are ready to get down to business this week. I expect a big trading week. You guys are in store. We're going to talk about how we're making money this week. Before we get things started on the True Trading Group live stream, I first want to thank our partners at Benzinga for supporting TTG and this live stream. Guys, please take a moment and follow Benzinga on Twitter. Their username is @Benzinga. Very simple. BENZINGA. Their handles right there at the bottom of your screen in the corner. Go ahead, guys, give them a follow. Our partners over at Benzinga, they're the best. All right? So go ahead and give them a follow. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, guys. If you are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, though, this time, okay? We're not talking any BS, no little gimmicks. We're talking real trading education. You've come to the right place. You've come to the place. I want you guys to take a minute, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share this stream on your own social media as well. We want to make sure we can reach and help and educate as many traders as we possibly can. True Trading Group, or we like to call it TTG. It's fastest growing, highest rated, premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. 6 nights a week on this YouTube channel, Sunday through Friday, we go live totally free, where myself, other TTG pro trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and free lessons of education that can help you become a better and more profitable trader. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group, and along with my team of 6 other pro trader moderators, we cover all different styles of trading. That includes swing trading, day trading, options, advanced options, shorting, long-term investing, and more. There's literally something for everyone in True Trading Group, regardless of your skill level or trading style. I started my career, guys, like I said, working for a fund in New York City right out of college, 2007. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing market crisis. Really a scary time. It really was a scary time. But during that volatile environment, I actually went on to thrive and received the Trader of the Year award from my firm in 2008. But before I got to that point, they didn't even let me touch $1 of their money until I went through an intensive training curriculum that set me on the path to become the trader that I am now today. I've since taken that curriculum, I've simplified it, I've paired it with the top premium trading tools, and I've made it all available to my TTG members. Now, before we get things started here tonight on this live stream, I want to know right now, if this is your very first TTG live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group, go ahead and type the letter I in chat right now. Type the letter I in chat if this is your first live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. All right, look at all these letter I's. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Yusuf, Mark Adams, John Wegman, Craig Sternberg, Kishore Kumar, EB, Sam E, Cheryl Burland, Johnny Utah, Tharrison Emmanuel Agnan, Armir Hassaj, The Complete Angler, Goody Ajay, K Sizzle, Ed Thompson, Wars Rogue, Waivers, Ken Sella, Justin Russo, Adrian Perez, Anson Villa, Michael Mangia. Guys, what's up? Listen, first thing you need to do is subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications bell. That's the way, okay? That's to make sure that you guys that's the way to make sure that you guys never miss out on any of these live streams, okay? So the first thing you want to do is subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications bell. All right. So everyone that's typing the letter I in chat right now, you guys are in for a real treat tonight. We're going to discuss kind of the outlook, what's going to be happening this week, where my focus is going to be, where I plan on making money, and how I plan to be doing that. What's my trading plan for the week? Okay. Stick around for a little while. For those of you that are brand new, you guys are just going to find out the value that you're going to get on every single one of these TG live streams. But tonight's stream is going to go down as follows. We're going to start things off with a quick 20-minute Q&A. All right. This is your chance to ask me questions, whatever it is that you need help with. Do not feel embarrassed to ask what you might consider a stupid question. Believe me, or I'm telling you, there are no such thing as stupid questions. Do not feel embarrassed. Everybody had a day one. I've been doing this for 17 years. I also had a day one. I also asked many questions through my mentor and the people that I was working with at the fund, many of which that maybe they thought or I thought at the time were stupid. Okay. That's why we are here. Okay. That is why we are here. That's why I do this. That's why we do these live streams, to make sure that we can provide you guys with some education, some information on a professional level. No gimmicks, no nonsense, a real education, guys. The same stuff that I was taught when I was working at the fund in New York. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start things off with that Q&A session. Okay. So after the Q&A session, we'll give some time for people to log on, and then we're going to get into the weekly outlook and what's my trading plan here this week. All right. Then we're going to talk about some small caps and how to trade small caps for large profit. And I've got a couple of trader psychology lessons that I want to go into here tonight as well. So we have a lot to unpack here tonight. We have a lot that we're going to be going over to get ourselves prepared and ready for a profitable week. So let's not waste any more time. All right. I know you got the Oscars are on tonight, but the Oscars don't make me money. Trading does. So this is where my focus is here, folks. So let's go ahead. Let's not waste another minute, and let's start that Q&A session. All right, folks, don't be shy. Type your questions right in chat. All right. Type your questions right in chat. We'll grab them. We'll throw them up on the screen. Is there a video on how someone uses all of the TGD tools together? Yes, there's actually an entire course. Okay. There's actually an entire course on our website that goes into all of the tools and how to use the entire TGD platform. One thing that you all need to understand is that when you guys join True Trading Group, you're not just paying to get my trade alerts. Okay. That's not just what TTG is about. All right. It's an entire platform. You guys have access to so many different tools and so many different resources and so many different pro traders. And there's so many things that you can do with your membership that we actually created an entire course that will walk you through how to use all the resources, all the tools, and all the features so you get the absolute most out of your TGD membership. Okay. The person that's asking this question, guys, they're asking this because we have an entire platform. Okay. It's not just, oh, let me sign up and then I just get told buy here, sell here, and that's the extent of your membership. No. Okay. TTG is an entire platform that gives traders all the tools, resources, education, mentorship that they need to become successful traders. Teacher trial, is it only for the day or can it be applied to longer term weeks, months? Listen, it can. It was originally designed or originally it's meant to be an intraday pattern, but you can use it in longer time frames. The same technical analysis and the same reasoning behind that pattern does hold true in longer time frames. For those that are asking, what's a TTG triangle? A TTG triangle is my absolute favorite chart pattern. Okay. Is my absolute favorite chart pattern. Okay. For those of you that are experienced traders, it's a very specific form of the common ABCD pattern that has very specific characteristics. But the TT triangle is a pattern that is my favorite. There's an entire course that teaches members how to identify and how to trade it. The reason why it's one of my favorite patterns is for a couple things. One, it's a very high probability pattern. And your job as traders, guys, listen, nobody knows for sure what a stock is going to do. All you can do as a trader is identify high probability setups, like setups that 75% of the time they result in specific price action. That's what you want to be able to identify. There is no such thing that works 100% of the time. So stop looking for it. We have a lot of new members that are on here tonight. If you are a new trader, okay, and you think there's some kind of secret, you think there's some kind of special pattern or some kind of special indicator that's going to work all the time, it doesn't exist. Take it from someone that's traded professionally on Wall Street. It does not exist, okay? All you can do is identify high probability patterns. The TTG triangle is an extremely high probability pattern that offers you tremendous risk reward. And that's why it is one of my absolute favorite chart patterns. Initially for intraday, but it can be used on longer time frames. But make sure that you're all of the same technical analysis criteria that's part of that pattern. Make sure that that applies when you're looking at the longer time frame. Would you recommend a scanner for a new trader? If so, which one? I would recommend Trade Ideas, which you get access to live streaming inside of your TTG account. Okay. Trade Ideas, in my opinion, is the best scanner that's available to active traders today, Joe. And it is included with your membership inside of your TTG account. It streams live to members all day long. So you'll see stocks that are making new highs, which stocks have a volume surge, your top gainers, all of that is going to be right inside of your TGD platform. So I recommend the Trade Idea Scanner, and it comes free with your TGD membership. Basics of investing. Okay. That is the most general question there's so much more to unpack. I can talk to you for 2 hours just answering this one question, but I'll hit on a couple of points that I think are really important. First, set realistic hit my table. Set realistic expectations, and understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Understand that it's going to take you time to actually learn how to do this. Understand that it takes time for stocks to make a move. Understand that you're not going to buy a stock and it's going to immediately go up that very second, and it's never going to go back down ever, and you're just going to buy the very bottom of that stock. And understand what's really possible when it comes to trading. A lot of people out there, they promise you millions. They promise you the stars and the moons. They promise you, Lamborghinis and mansions. And, I'm never going to sit here and blow smoke up your ass. I'm going to tell you straight how it is. Yeah, sure. Can you get good enough to where you make enough money to buy a mansion and a Lamborghini? Yes, absolutely. But it's not something that's going to happen overnight. It's not something that, if I find, the secret to the markets, I'll be able to become a multimillionaire. The secret to trading is just getting a real education. That's the secret. There's no secret pattern. There's no secret strategy. There's no secret indicator. There's no secret equation. There's no secret algorithm. There's no secret anything. The secret to you guys becoming consistently profitable in the markets is to actually learn how to be active in the markets. A lot of people just get into the markets and have absolutely no idea what they're doing. Yes, there is a tremendous amount of money to make here, but no, it will not happen overnight. Using the right tools and having the right community is a huge step in the right direction to get you to that point. The beauty about trading is that I'll tell you right now, the journey is a bumpy one, but the destination is worth every second of it. And it's one of the few professions out there that the better you get, the more money you make. Because my sister, I use the example of my sister all the time. She's an English teacher, phenomenal English teacher. She's never going to make $250,000 a year, ever. She could be the #1 ranked English teacher in the country, high school English. That's what she teaches. She'll be the #1 high school English teacher in the country. She'll never make $250,000. But if you were the #1 trader in the country, you want to have any idea how much money you'd make? In the billions. In the billions per year. The top trader in the world every year earns over $1 billion a year. So Forbes usually comes out with like the top 50 traders. Okay. And it's in the billions, and they're all hedge fund traders. They're all not like they're all hedge fund traders that are they manage billions of dollars. So obviously, you can't make $1 billion if you have a $500,000 account. Okay. But, when you have several billions, yes, you can actually rake home in, enough of your profit percentage to be in $1 billion. Okay. But it's important for you guys to understand what's really possible with trading. Okay. There is no limit to your upside. That's the beauty of it. Like my sister's earnings potential as a high school English teacher are capped. There's a limit on them. She can do all the extra work and all the extra studying and all the extra certifications to be the best, but there's a limit on her earnings potential. There's not a limit on your earnings potential. The freedom that becoming consistently profitable would provide for you and your family is unlike anything you've ever seen. All you need is the internet. You can work from anywhere in the world and truly be your own boss. It's something that a lot of people strive for, but not everybody's able to achieve, but it's possible. And I think that when you ask, like, what are the basics? I think those are the basics. I think the basics are understanding that there's not a secret, that the secret is actually getting an education to learn how to do it the right way. And just set realistic expectations. Understand, yes, there's a lot of money that could be made, but it's not going to happen overnight. And I think those are that's, like I said, I can sit here for 2 hours answering this question, but I think for the sake of time and everything else I want to get into tonight, I think that that's some of the major points that I would really, really stick to. Can you show us what the platform looks like? Sure, I would love to. Here, guys, I'm not going to do it now because we have a lot of information, a lot of educational stuff I want to get into tonight. At the end of this live stream, guys, stick around. Anyone that's interested in the TGG platform, stick around later towards the end of the stream. I'll walk you through the entire platform. I'll show you all the resources, all the tools. I'll show you the courses. I'll show you guys everything that you get on our platform a little bit later on the live. I'd be happy to. All right, guys, next question. Which strategy you use for 95% chance? None. Again, I literally just got done saying this, that there is no strategy that works 100% of the time. There's not a strategy that works 95% of the time. If you're looking for a strategy that is going to be right 95 to 100% of the time, just sign off this live stream right now. I'm not going to give it to you. You'll spend your entire life looking for it. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I can't stress this to you enough. You're going to make losing trades. That is part of trading. All right. You're not going to have a 95, 97, 98% win rate. If you're looking for it, you're going to look forever. Okay. If you want a 95% win rate for, to do a task. Yes. What strategy? It's called a paycheck. It's called your 9-to-5 job. How much is the membership? Tanya Silva, I'll get into that. I really want to try to keep the first couple minutes here of the Q&A to answer questions for people, like trading related questions where we can talk about some educational stuff. I will get into in just a few moments. Just in a few minutes, I'll get into how much for the membership. But I want to get in. I want to answer some people's questions. Just stick around. I'm going to show you the platform. We'll talk about the price and everything. I'll show you guys all that stuff in just a little bit. I'm deaf on that bumpy part of the journey, reassuring to hear it's part of the process. Absolutely part of the process, Vincenzo. Absolutely part of the process, brother. A trader's career usually goes like this. So they first start out, right? Maybe they get lucky. So maybe they bought like GameStop or Bitcoin or Dogecoin or something stupid, right? And it just goes crazy. And they make a bunch of money without really understanding why they made money or how they made money or what happened that made the stock go up in the first place. They have no idea, right? So that trader all of a sudden, not their P&L, but that trader just starts riding a high. They're like, oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. Oh my God, I can't believe I waited this long to get involved in the markets. This is so easy. I figured it out. And then all of a sudden they get their asses kicked, like, oh my God, this is so scary. Oh my God, this sucks. I don't know if I can do this. And then they have a couple of winning trades. And they're like, oh my God, wait, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do this. You know, I'm actually really interested. I feel like I'm learning something. Oh my God, this is so hard. I don't know if I can do this. Oh my God. Like, you go through these ups and downs, man. You go through this serious roller coaster. It's totally normal. A lot of people are laughing on the live stream because a lot of you have been there. A lot of you have gone through that roller coaster. I've gone through that roller coaster. Believe me, it is all part of the process. I don't know a single trader, literally, and I know thousands. I don't know a single trader that started trading day one and just went up, and just never struggled, never doubted themselves. I'm telling you guys this now. When you decide that you're going to become a trader, your family's going to doubt you. Your friends are going to doubt you. Your coworkers are going to doubt you. And I'm telling you, you are going to doubt you. There will come a point in time where you are going to doubt your ability to do this. That is when you have to be able to, that's why being part of a group like Two Trading Group is so important, because when you guys join TGD, I literally say, welcome to the family. We are such a tight-knit group of traders where we all truly care about one another. And I'm telling you, you are going to go through ups and downs in the early stages of your career. And it's very important to have a support group there of people that have been in your exact same shoes before and have gotten past it. Someone that you can talk to, other members that you can talk to, other moderators that you can talk to that have been in the exact same position that you are in right now. I've been there. Whatever any of you are feeling right now, I've been there and I've come out on the other side. So can you. My TTG members, they've been there. Some of them are going through it now. Some of them have just signed up and haven't gone through it yet. But this is why being part of a group that truly gives a shit about one another is very important, because trading can be a very lonely profession. You know, you're only accountable to yourself. Like, nobody's going to do the work for you. No one's going to follow the rules for you. No one's going to tap you on the shoulder and say, hey man, like, you're doing a really bad job. Like, you don't have a boss that's going to come and say, hey, stop doing this, do this. You know, you're not supposed to be doing that. You don't have that. You know, and when you have these hard times, you've got nobody else to talk to. It's important for you guys to be part of a group like this. It's very important for you to be part of a group like this to increase your chances of success. My TTG members, you guys can all attest to this. You guys have all developed the relationships with moderators, with members, and you guys, you know, I love seeing my members really helping one another out. It's the greatest thing ever. Like, during the day in chat and someone's having a bad day and you see someone makes a comment, they say they're having a tough day. All of a sudden, like 10, 15, 20 members are like, hey man, hang in there, stick it, like, and they come right there and they pick that member right back up. It is the most amazing thing that I've ever seen. It's been my dream to create that environment into Two Trading Group, and we have, and it really is truly an astonishing thing. There's no other group of people that I'd rather trade with day in and day out than my TGD family members. And that's the God's honest truth. You're welcome. It's our pleasure. For those that don't know, we give away a brand new laptop when you sign up for TTG. Tonight is the last night to get the laptop and the current price point. We will get into that, but you know, I want to take a couple more questions. And guys, that's no bullshit. I'm being dead serious. Anyone that signs up tonight for a TTG membership will get a brand new laptop included with their membership. And tonight is the last night to get the membership at this price point, because tomorrow the price of a membership for Two Trading Group is going up. I'm not kidding. This is no bullshit. I'm being dead serious. At midnight tonight, the price of a membership is going up. So I will be getting into all of that later on the live stream about, you know, the free laptop and the price point, but I want to just finish up with maybe one or two more questions. And then, yeah, we're already a half hour in. We have a lot to talk about. So I'll take maybe one more question, guys, and then we'll start to roll through the outlook, and we'll talk about all the lessons and stuff I want to go over with you guys. I see a bunch of people asking about membership price. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Let me just finish up the Q&A and then we'll talk about. I'll give you guys a quick little. Do you have any other questions? Dude, help me there, and the price is yours. No laptops included. I'm not sure I understand what that means. Okay, a lot of people are asking about the membership, so screw it. I'll just tell you guys about the membership. Literally, I only see a couple of, it's hard. I can't talk to you and then still see thousands of messages. And I am seeing people asking about, membership. So let me just get into it real briefly, guys. Because tonight is the last night to actually get this discounted rate before the price goes up tomorrow. I want you guys first to think about True Trading Group as like the Netflix of trading communities, because you pay one price for the entire year and you get access to everything that we have and everything we ever will have. Okay. So like, for example, if I come out with a brand new course next month, or next month we add a new tool, it is included in your membership. You do not have to pay extra for it. Okay. Like when Netflix comes out with a new show, it's included. You don't have to pay more for it. All right. We have annual memberships only. We do not have monthly memberships. Okay. Reason being, we give you 110% of our time, energy, and effort and provide you with full access to myself and the other pro trading moderators throughout the day. Okay. We are there all day, every day with you. You can send us private messages. You can ask us questions. We're live on the microphone telling you where we see opportunity, calling out all of our trades in advance. Like, we're there with you guys, giving you 110% of our time, energy, and effort. Okay. We're not done in the morning and then we leave you to fend for yourselves in the afternoon. Okay. We're with you all day long. Okay. And then we also, like I told you, you're not paying for just to get trade alerts in a chat room. TTG provides you with the premium tools for the length of your membership at no additional cost. You guys also get Benzinga's real-time news feed, TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. You guys get real-time full book level 2 provided by Quote Media. You got a trade simulator provided by ETNA. Okay, yes, when you guys sign up, you literally get access to all of these things. Then you have all of our courses. 15 course curriculum. It's a simplified version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. Okay. You get access to all the courses. There's not like you sign up, you get some courses, but then if you want these VIP special courses, they cost more money. No, you pay one price, you get access to everything we have. That includes all of our courses. There's beginner and foundation courses for people that have never traded before. There's advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses. Okay, you name it, we've got it all in text and video format, whichever is easy for you guys to learn. Then there's a video library that is over 100 hours of additional educational video content. That's like workshops and webinars that me and the moderators have conducted with our members. You get access to our daily chat room where we share our screen and we're on the microphone. You get real-time alerts and everything like that. You're getting at least 10 actionable trade alerts per week from a community of traders that currently has over an 80% win rate right now between me and the other moderators. We're all trading very, very well right now. And weekly live workshops. Yeah, every week. Yeah, that's what weekly. Every week we're doing live workshops covering different topics for members. Then you get the trade ideas scanner that's included. And then, like I said, tonight, for anyone that signs up for a membership tonight, this is your last chance to save 43% off the annual membership. Okay. The annual membership is usually $2,212, but now it's only $1,260. Okay. But tonight is the last night to get the 43% discount. Okay. Tonight's the last night for that $1,260 price point, along with our money back guarantee. Okay, I do offer you guys a money back guarantee. If you go through all the courses, you pass all the quizzes, and you attend a private study group, that means that you tried. You put in an effort. If you don't make the $1,260 back at least once during your membership, I will give you the $1,260 back. I'll give you a full refund if you don't make it back. Okay, and anyone that signs up tonight is going to get a brand new free laptop, an Asus HP Acer, Dell, Lenovo, or Chromebook. Okay, that's till midnight tonight. Anyone that signs up for a teaching membership will get a free laptop. I told you, we provide you guys with the tools and resources you need to become a successful trader. There's a lot of people that when they first join, they're on like some 10-year-old laptop that's got viruses. It's super slow. It lags. It crashes on them in the middle of nowhere. You can't trade on something like that. It's too risky. So that's why when someone signs up, we give them a brand new laptop. Okay, but tonight's the last night to get the $1,260 price point. That's the 43% off, and to get the laptop. Okay, so use the coupon code TTG121. If you guys are interested in the membership, you'll get a free laptop, a money back guarantee, and access to literally everything we have and everything we ever will have for an entire year. All right, so you guys can use coupon code TTG121 right there at the bottom of your screen for everyone that's asking about the membership. Okay, cool. Get it? Got it? Good. All right, guys, awesome. So that just about does it there for the Q&A. I think you guys, we had a couple of nice questions on there. I really, it's great doing the Q&As, guys. And like I said, don't ever feel hesitant, participate in the Q&As. Believe me, if you have a question, somebody else has the same question too. All right. All right. So, yes, John Costa, Benzinga is included. Benzinga is included. So, included with your membership is Benzinga's Pro real-time newsfeed right inside of our chat room. So, you will get breaking to the second news alerts right inside of our chat room, bro. I can't tell you how much money I have made and how much money I have saved by getting the news from Benzinga instantly. In a market in market environments like we're in, traders that get the news first win. They win. And Benzinga gives me news and gives my TTG fam news faster than most other traders are getting it. Benzinga's, they're fantastic. I am so thrilled to have them as partners and to have them supporting True Trading Group and supporting the educational platform that we provide. And it's been amazing being able to provide Benzinga's services and products to our TTG members, guys, at no additional cost. Okay, Benzinga's newsfeed and everything else I said to you, the simulator, the trade ideas scanner, the trading views charting software, like the Benzinga news feed, all of that is included with your membership free. There's no extra fee for that. So let's literally think about it. You pay $1,260, you're gonna get a free laptop. That's a few $100 right there. Then you get all those extra tools. It's crazy. The value that you're getting, it's actually insane. And tonight's the last night to do it because the price goes up at midnight. Okay. So again, use that coupon code TTG121. Guys, for those that do sign up, okay, after you guys sign up to claim your free laptop, there's going to be a little blue support chat icon at the bottom right of our membership. Okay. You got to click on that and fill out your information with your address so we can ship it to you. We even cover the shipping. And guys, laptops are at extremely limited supply. They are first come, first serve. Okay. They are first come, first serve. All right. So there you have it, folks. You know that you'll get one, guys, because on the checkout page, you'll know that we have laptops still in stock if you go to the checkout page and you see a laptop in your checkout. Okay? If you see a laptop in your checkout, there you go. Thank you, Adam. Guys, if you see that in your checkout, that means we still have laptops in stock. If you go to your checkout and that is not there, that means that they've all sold out. All right. All right, guys, cool. Let's get into now the weekly outlook and trading plan. Let's talk about the overall markets. To do that, let me go ahead and pull up the weekly outlook. I got a little presentation for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to share my screen. We're getting into the trading outlook for the week. All right. Let's do it. Guys, listen up. This little presentation that I made for you all, you guys, there can click on the link in the description below, and you can download this, okay? You guys can download this as a PDF. There's a link right in the description if you guys want to download this and take a look at it later, all right? So let's get into the outlook, all right? Coming into a new week after a very strong day on Friday, after you had that tax scare sell-off after Biden proposed the new capital gains tax, you had the big market sell-off, and the markets took it right back. Markets took it right back. We talked about that last week. If you guys have been following my live streams for a while, the day the market sold off on the back of that news, I told everybody that day, I think this was a knee-jerk overreaction. Anyone that sold today, they're going to regret it tomorrow. And what happened? Friday, we ripped right back to all-time highs. The S&P or the SPY set a new all-time intraday high, and the NASDAQ and the Dow both had really strong days as well. New virus data, all right? We got to keep paying attention to this because other parts of the world are having a really hard time. Right? Over 146 million cases globally, over 3 million deaths. India remains the hot zone. India is just an absolute disaster. But things are great in the U.S. The cases continue declining in the U.S. 26.5% of the population has now fully been vaccinated. All right. However, there are 5 million Americans that have missed their appointment to receive their second shot, which is weird. That's a lot of people. Why get the first shot and not the second? My guess is that maybe a lot of people that had their first shot, and then you had the Johnson & Johnson blood clot issue, and maybe that scared a couple of people from going and getting their second shot. That's all I can think of, okay? Because there are several weeks in between your first and second shot. So I think that maybe a bunch of people got the first shot. Then you had the Johnson & Johnson issue with the blood clots. And then that maybe led to a bunch of people saying, you know what, the hell with this. I'm not getting the second shot. Maybe, right? Maybe. We don't know yet, okay? Top health officials warned that vaccine hesitancy poses a risk to herd immunity. We all know that. On Friday, an independent government advisory panel voted in favor of resuming the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine, but with a new general warning about the potential of extremely rare but serious blood clots. So what this means is that they really didn't fix the issue, but they're saying that's just extremely rare, and we just have to make sure that people are aware of it. It's like, when you watch those commercials on TV for those different medications, and it's like side effects, include, diarrhea, nausea, migraines, potential passing out, risk of stroke, potential heart attack, and, possible death. And you're like, what? Why would anybody take this drug? But it's on very, very, very rare occasions. And, they're basically, independent government advisory panel, as well as, comments that you've seen from the FDA and the CDC, that the risk of not getting the vaccine far outweighs the risk of getting the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. They say that it's safe, and they're going back, and you're seeing some positive statements come out against it. All right, so will that play a role this week? I don't think so, and let me tell you guys why. Because this is a huge week for earnings. 700 companies are reporting earnings this week. Okay? Over 700 companies report earnings this week. This is going to be a week of earnings. Okay? That's what's going to be moving your markets. This week, some notable earnings include Monday and Tuesday. Okay? Monday's Tesla. That's going to be fun. But you've also got Checkpoint Software, Microsoft, Alphabet, Pinterest, Visa, Novartis, Amgen, Eli Lilly, Texas Instruments, UPS, Starbucks, GE, 3M, AMD, Sherman-Williams, Waste Management, JetBlue, FireEye, iRobot, Hasbro, Crocs. A lot going on this week. Wednesday, you've got the almighty Apple, Facebook, Qualcomm, Boeing, Shopify, Spotify, eBay, Teladoc, MGM, Grubhub. Huge names report earnings this week. Thursday, Friday, bringing up the rear, none other than Amazon, MasterCard, Comcast, Mickey D's, Caterpillar, Altria, Merck, Twitter, Kraft, U.S. Steel, Exxon, Chevron, AbbVie, okay? AstraZeneca, Johnson Controls, You got Clorox mixed in there. Domino's Pizza. If you're not a member of TT, if you're not a TT member, you better join now because I know we're making money this week during earnings. This is going to be an exciting week. This is going to be an exciting week. All right. Economic data to pay attention to. Continue eyeing the reopening trade. Okay. The reopening trade was back in full effect. You had that little hiccup, and the reopening trade was right back into full effect on Friday. Data coming out this week as far as economic data. Durable goods orders coming out on Monday. Then on Tuesday, Red Book, Housing Price Index, Consumer Confidence. I expect those numbers to be very bullish. Wednesday, you got mortgage market data, retail inventories, and then you have the Fed rate decision on Wednesday. So let's rewind. Not only do you have over 700 companies reporting earnings this week, but it's a Fed week. The Federal Reserve is going to be coming out with a rate decision on Wednesday. Then you've got Fed Chairman Powell speaking at 2:30 after the 2 p.m. rate decision. This is going to be a week of weeks. GDP data on Friday, pending home sales, initial and continuing jobless claims, personal income and spending data, unemployment data. Guys, this is a huge, huge week. Earnings, Fed, and economic data, jam-packed. This is a lot of catalysts that could potentially move markets up or down. You better get your butts in chat because I am going to be a man on a mission this week. I'm going to be a man possessed this week. And not to mention, small caps are heating up. On top of everything that I just said, it looks like small caps are heating up. Thursday night, I did a live stream, and I told everybody Thursday night that I saw signs of small caps heating back up. Those signs were late day rallies to highs of the day, and it happened on 3 of your top gainers on the day. That was a sign that small caps were starting to heat up. I told everybody Thursday night I was going to actually be focusing on some small caps on Friday, that I thought small caps were heating up, and what happened on Friday? Okay, what happened on Friday? Well, I will show you what happened on Friday. I'll do you one better. Instead of telling you, I'm going to show you what happened on Friday. Okay, Friday, we absolutely destroyed MVIS, monster move. OCGN, monster move. SYRP, SYPR, is it? Yep, SYPR, monster move. BTX, monster move. TKAT, monster move. Okay, so exactly what we said was going to happen, okay, happened. Literally. That's everything that's literally what we talked about on Thursday. It happened on Friday. And because it wasn't just one stock that gave follow through on Friday for small caps, and it was multiple, that's where my focus lies starting tomorrow. That's where I'm going to be focusing my time, energy, and attention to start the week off. I'm going to be looking at small caps. We got follow through. We got afternoon breakouts. We saw that in several small caps on Friday. So they are back in focus for the final trading week of April. Guys, like I said, this is downloadable in PDF form. It's for you guys. There's a link in the description below. Click on it. You guys can download this and keep it for yourselves and keep it for your own records and studying. All right. We're going back to the original link where you have to. Hold on a second here, guys. All right, that does. All right, good. That wraps it up there for our. That wraps up there, guys, for the weekly outlook and trading plan. Okay. Now, what I want to do here is I want to talk about some lessons regarding trading small caps. Okay, I want to talk about some lessons. So for that, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And now, guys, I want to go over and let's talk about some of the lessons of the day. Okay, let's talk about small caps here for a second. All right, because I have not traded small caps really over the last couple weeks because they've been slower. I've been trading larger cap stocks because I thought there have been better opportunity. I shorted Coinbase. I traded Roblox. I traded GME. There was a lot of other things that were out there that I thought had better opportunities over the last couple of weeks. Now that I'm going to start to go back after small caps, I plan to be aggressive tomorrow. When small caps are cold, some of the things that I teach my members to trade in tiers. What that means is like when you're taking profit on a trade, you're going to take profit in pieces. You're not going to try to sell your entire position all at once. You're going to sell in pieces. And typically how it goes is I say, okay, you get to profit target 1, you sell 25%. Profit target 2, you sell 50%. Profit target 3, you sell 25%. In a cold environment, sometimes traders will switch that up and you can take 50% off at profit target 1. Because if you're not getting a lot of follow through, it'll behoove you to take profits off earlier in the trade rather than hold on for the back end piece of the move if you're not getting that type of follow through. Understand? So, but when you do have follow through, you want to make sure you hold on to the bulk of your position longer so you get paid more. All right. But when follow through is not there and you're getting these like one and done type moves, you want to take your position, your profit off the table sooner because you're not getting the follow through. You're getting like one move and then it's done. You're not getting one move, a consolidation, and another move. Okay. So I'm going to go back to being aggressive. And I might even go back to if I start to see that follow through is still there, you will actually start to see me backload my position. What do I mean by that? I'm going to be holding on to the bulk of my position a little bit deeper into my trade. So you may actually see me start to, at profit target 1, sell 25%, and at profit target 2, sell 25%. And then and then profit target 3, and then start to sell in 20. And then that way I'm still backloaded 50% of my position and I'm getting that follow through move. And then I'm just crushing it. When you get that type of movement, that's when I start to pull out like 5, 6, 7, 8 R on some of these trades. What that means is 7, 8 times your risk. So let's say if you were risking 50 cents and you made, $3 to the upside, okay, like now you're talking about you're hitting 6R. If you're getting $4 of upside, if you only risked 50 cents, you're talking like that's what that means by like if you make 2R, if you risked 50 cents and you made $1, you made 2R, twice your risk. Okay. If you risk 50 cents and you make $1.50 on the trade, that's 3R. That's 3 times your risk. Your risk was 50 cents to the downside. So if you buy a stock at $5 and your stop loss is $4.50, but then the stock goes all the way to $6.50, that's 3R, 3 times your risk. Okay. So that's when you can start to get some really big winners if that type of action is still there. Okay. So these are just some things that I'm going to be looking to implement in my trading as early as tomorrow. The other thing that I want you guys to make sure that you're ready for is you got to make sure that you're focused. I want you guys to get a good night's sleep tonight. When this live stream is over with, don't dilly-dally. Don't go watch Netflix. Don't go, have a beer or anything like that. Go relax. Okay. Just get to bed early because literally as soon as I'm done with this live stream, I'm going to bed because I'm very excited for this week with all of those earnings, with small caps heating up, all that economic data, the Fed Reserve coming out with their rate decision, and we're right at all-time highs. What? I'm going right to bed as soon as we're done here. Okay. I'm going right to bed. Right? Because I want to make sure that I'm refreshed, I'm ready to go. So tomorrow, I want you to keep your head on a swivel. I want you to be focused, but I don't want you to overextend yourself. Tomorrow, especially for inexperienced traders. Listen to me closely. If there's a lot of stocks that are moving around, okay, if there's a lot of small caps moving around tomorrow, you're going to want to make sure that you only try to focus on like 2 of them. Do not try to focus on 4, 5, 6 different stocks at once, especially if you're an inexperienced trader, because you will get distracted, you'll get overwhelmed, and you will miss opportunities in all of them. Stay focused. Pick 1 or 2 and just put the blinders on, okay, and just get into the matrix, all right, and stay focused. Get ready to act confidently and decisively. When that window of opportunity presents itself, act. Have a game plan before you go into that trade. When I tomorrow morning, okay, I'm waking up, I'm going through my watch list. I'm going to develop a game plan for every single stock that's on my watch list tomorrow morning. And I'm going to say, okay, based on what I'm seeing, here's my watch list. This stock, here's my game plan. I'm looking for this level to hold support. I'm going to buy the stock here. I'm going to take profits here, here, here. My stop loss will be here. I'm going to know that before the market even opens. So when the stock does start to do what I think it's going to do, I can jump, I can act, I can attack aggressively. And I don't have to sit there and think about it and go, I don't know, maybe. I don't have to do that. I don't have to do that because I will have had the game plan already set. The game plan is going to be set. I'm going to say, I'm going to buy the stock here. I'm taking profits here, here, here. My stop loss is this, and that's all that matters. And when that window of opportunity presents itself, you've got to be ready to act. But if you don't have a game plan, okay, here's the difference between me and someone that's inexperienced. I'll have an entire game plan. So when the stock starts to do what I think it's going to do, I'm in it. I already did the analysis. Someone that's not experienced does not have a game plan. So the stock starts to move. It starts to do it starts to look good. And now they start to do the analysis. Well, that takes that trader time to go through that analysis. By the time you go through that analysis, the stock's already moved to $2. Your window of opportunity has closed. And now you feel like you're chasing the stock. Now it's a mental issue. Now it's a mental battle that you go through with yourself. Now it's, do I chase it? Do I buy it here? Do I wait for a pullback? Like FOMO starts to kick in, and now you're lost. You're a chicken running around with its head cut off. You got to make sure you have a game plan. All right? I'll have one tomorrow morning. You guys better make sure you were in chat with me to talk about it. Okay? You better make sure you guys are in chat with me to talk about it. I'll break down my entire game plan on every single trade before the market opens. I do it every single day. Every single day I do that with all my members in chat. So everybody knows exactly what the game plan is before the market even opens. Okay? I told you I had some trader psychology stuff I want to talk to you about, and I kind of just segue right into that FOMO aspect. If small caps are going to be heating back up, now listen, it's possible maybe that later in the week, maybe small caps cool off again because maybe large caps are flying around with earnings. That's possible, but small caps were on fire on Friday. They have not traded like that in weeks. So I think we get more of that coming into the markets Monday, Tuesday. Okay? Resist the FOMO. Okay? This is why I'm telling you it's important for you guys to go through that analysis and have a game plan before you go into the trade. Okay? Because you want to resist the FOMO. All right? You want to resist the FOMO. To help deal with FOMO, ask yourself this question. If you were already in the trade, what would you be doing at this very moment? Would you be buying more? Would you be holding? Would you be taking profit? If your answer is taking profit, you're chasing. Okay. If your answer would be, man, if I was already in, I'd be taking profit. If that's the case, you're chasing. Okay. If that's the case, you're chasing. The other thing I want you to think about is that there will always be another one. This is something else that I tell my members to help them deal with FOMO. There will always be another one. So many people think like, oh my God, this stock is moving. This is the last stock I'm ever going to have an opportunity to make money on. It's not. Believe me, there's going to be a million more. All right. So don't feel like, okay, if I miss this one trade, that's it. I'm done for the day. If small caps going to heat back up the way that they traded on Friday, believe me, there's going to be a lot more than one. You saw on Friday, you had SYPR, you had OCGN, you had TKAT, you had BTX, you had MVIS, you had OCGN. I don't know if I said that already. But all of those stocks made amazing moves. So don't feel like this one is the only one and I've got to go after this or I'm never going to make money ever again. Believe me, there's going to be another one. And if there's not another one tomorrow, there'll be one on Tuesday. Okay. The beauty about the markets, it's always open tomorrow. Okay. So a couple of important lessons that I want you guys to take with you going into start the week on Monday. I'm excited for what this week brings and what is in store. I think it's going to be a very, very active week. I think there's going to be a lot of opportunity this week with all of these catalysts. My God, with all these catalysts, I'm excited. And we finished the week off strong last week. I had the huge home run Coinbase short. Then I had the huge home run MVIS trade. I mean, we finished the week big. And now I'm just excited with everything that's going to come this week. I'm excited to really get down to business, guys. All right. I am going to be giving away the information for tonight's Teach D Stimmy. For those that don't know what that is, our Teach D Stimmy every day in the month of April, we give away a few $100 to 5 lucky Teach D members. Tonight, we are going to be giving away $500 to 5 lucky TTG members. Okay. All you have to do is be a member and you're included. Okay. All you have to do is be a member and you are included. The password to get into the giveaway room is TTG2021. It is right there on your screen. The password is TTG2021. All right. To get into the giveaway room. Please do not clog this chat if you have issues logging in. If you have issues logging into the giveaway room, guys, just go to the main trading chat room. Adam will meet you there and help you. Okay? If you have issues logging into the giveaway room, please go into the main trading chat room. Adam will help you. Also, anyone that joins Teach D fam tonight on this live stream, you guys can also go and participate in the Teach D stimulus. All right, so you can have a chance to win the $500. All right. You can also have a chance to win the $500. All right, guys. S&P futures real quick. Do a quick check-in on futures. We're flat. We're the S&P futures are down 0.02%. So there's nothing really to talk about there in the overall markets. I think that there's so many catalysts this week that we really have to wait to see how earnings starts off and then start to talk about some levels on the markets, because I think we can rip right through levels on the back of this. So let me just actually, before I do, because I did not mention it, I didn't talk about it before. Let me just go right back to the charts real quick, guys. I just want to cover a couple of levels with you on the SPY just because I didn't do it before. Let's go out to the daily chart. We'll take a look at the daily just so you guys can see this huge reversal day that we had here on Friday. And then we topped out this. You have a potential double top in play here at all-time highs. Okay. You have a potential double top in play here at all-time highs. I don't think this double top holds. I think the markets actually continue higher. I think we get over 420. Okay, I think we get over 420. But let's talk about some levels that you guys have to pay attention to. You better know that all-time high. That's 418, folks. 418 will be resistance. Okay, let's go to a 15-minute chart. Let's pan this out. There's your all-time high, and there's your double top at the all-time high. You better know that level. Okay, you better know that level. Okay, that will be a potential area of resistance. S&P futures are exactly where they stop trading after hours on Friday. Major support. $411. Major support at 411. Okay. Major support at 411. And honestly, these are your key levels. You don't really have major levels inside of here. You don't. We had a level. It got broken. I'll show you. We had a level here. Okay. We had a level right here. Oops. Okay. We had this level right here. This level got broken, and then it got taken back, and taken back. This price action makes this level irrelevant. This level is now obsolete. This level is no more. We went above it, below it, back above it with ease. You can see the markets didn't even pause or hesitate around those levels. We went right through them like a hot knife through butter. That level is broken now. That level no longer carries weight. So we really don't have any major levels in between this range. This is a very, very well-defined channel and a very well-defined $7 range on the SPY, 411 to 418. Know it. That's your support. That's your resistance. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. All right, folks. So there you have it. So that wraps it up there for our the lessons kind of the day and the weekly outlook. Guys, listen, man, it's my goal with all these live streams to make sure that you find value and that you truly get something out of these live streams. And I want to know if you did tonight. So I want everyone that's on the live stream right now, if you found value in this live stream, I want you to go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Whether you're a member, a non-member, you're a first-time viewer, a long-time viewer, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat if you guys got value. Yusuf Khan says, Mike, I love your live streams so much, man. Thank you, Yusuf. I appreciate that, bro. That's why listen, I do these for you guys. Beautiful. Look at all those number 1s. I love it. I love it. That makes me feel good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, guys. So listen up. Once again, I want to know, there's so many number 1s coming through chat right now. That's so awesome. That makes me feel good, guys. Make sure you smash that like button for me. All right, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Guys, also give me a follow on Twitter while we're at it. Guys, give me a follow on Twitter. I'm always posting trade ideas, trade recaps, okay, general market commentary. You guys can give me a follow on Twitter at Mike Edward _ TTG. Okay. Again, it is at Mike Edward _ TTG right there at the bottom of your screen. That's my Twitter handle. Go ahead, guys. Give me a follow on Twitter. All right. I always post like trade ideas and market commentary, my thoughts on things. So you guys definitely want to go ahead there and give me a follow on Twitter. Okay. All right. So now listen up. I want to know we've got about 1,400 people that are still watching this live at this moment. I want to know how many of you are not a member of True Trading Group. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG in chat right now. Type the letters TTG in chat right now. All right, my boy Yusuf, Amir, Therusan, Ghislaine. Let's see. Anson Vasquez, Johnny Utah, James, Carl Osterman, Nicolene Steinert, Armir Thulasi, Art Patch, Stephen Hansen from Facebook, what's up? Nordia Brown, Damon Donahoe, Chris Texas Ranger, Saul Molina, Tariku Bashinu, Roy Datima, Calvin Fordham, Albert Harper, Kevin, Beach and Ray McCracken. Beautiful. Charles Moeller, James, wow, there's so many. Robert, guys, there's so many. So many. There are so many guys typing TG. I love it. I love seeing non-TG members here. Guys, listen, there is one problem that I see with how many people are typing TTG. We have only 30 laptops left. So, I mean, obviously, I don't know, all of you that are typing TTG, I don't know if you guys do plan on joining the group or not, but there's only 30 laptops left. So remember, if the laptop is in the checkout, that means that that we still have some in stock. If you go to the checkout and the laptop is not there, that means that we have run out. Okay, that means that we have run out. But listen up. For those of you that typed TTG in chat, please listen up, because nobody is going to do the work that's needed for you to reach your goals as a trader. Nobody. Not me, not anybody else. Trading's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort. And it all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools and community that's going to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. I'm going to show you guys the platform in just a second, everything you get access to. But remember, TTG, it's a one-year membership. Normally, it would cost you $2,212. But until midnight tonight, it's your last chance to save 43% and get a membership for only $1,260 and get a free laptop while the limited supplies. They're on a first-come, first-served basis. This offer expires at midnight, and the price will then be going up. Okay? Listen, there's no upsells. There's no add-ons with True Trading Group. You pay one price, you get access to everything. You get full access to all of our moderators, including myself, and everything we have and everything we ever will have. I told you, TTG is the Netflix of trading communities. Pay one price, get access to everything we have. As a member of True Trading Group, you are going to be getting access to the top premium trading tools and products, because we bundle them all together as part of your membership. Guys, you must enter the coupon code TTG121 on the checkout page. Listen to me carefully. If you go to the checkout page and just do nothing, it's going to say $1,990. You are on this live stream. You have access to this coupon code. I share this coupon code on the live streams only. Use it. You have to enter TTG121. Apply code to drop the price down to $1,260. Do not pay $19.90. Okay? You guys are spending the time with me here on this live stream. You're eager to learn. You're motivated to learn. And I'm excited to teach you guys and bring you on this part of the TTG family. Use the coupon code. Get the 43% discount. It expires at midnight. Okay? Now, let me tell you everything you get access with. Let me show you guys the platform. Because as a member of TTG, you are also going to get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking to the second news alert service directly inside of our chat room that gives us news before most other traders receive it. Me, my moderators, my members, this is an invaluable service. We use it every single day. There's even a squawk box feature where you can turn on your speakers and someone will read the news headlines to you out loud while they come across the wire. You're also getting quote streams, real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, and real-time options data. Okay. This comes with a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money so you can practice implementing what you learned in the courses. Please use the simulator, okay? Prove to yourself you can make money on the simulator with fake money before you start going over to real money, all right? Then you're going to get access to Trade Ideas Real-Time Scanner. This scanner shows you stocks that are making new highs, stocks that are have an unusual volume burst, okay? Use the Trade Ideas Scanner. It is all free with your membership. Then you have TradingView's Pro charting software. That's included as well. This is the most commonly used charting software by active traders today, and it's yours included totally for free when you guys join True Trading Group. You're also going to get a minimum 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community that's got over an 80% win rate. Guys, we're fully transparent in True Trading Group, okay? We keep a trading journal on our website that shows you every single buy and every single sell that all of our moderators make, so you can track all of our performance. It's all there. All the winning trades, all the losing trades, all the break evens. It is all kept in detailed record, entries, exits, timestamps. Everything is right there for you guys to see. Fully transparent. We put our money where our mouth is. Okay? Then on top of that, you guys are going to be getting access to one small private study group with a TTG moderator. This is your chance to ask questions, get help with lessons and topics that you need help with. Then you have the curriculum. Okay, I told you. You get access to the entire curriculum, guys. There's no special VIP pro courses that cost more money. You pay one price, you get access to all the courses we have. It's a 15-course curriculum. This is a simplified version of the information the education I received when I worked at the fund. All right. You're going to get beginner courses, the foundation courses, advanced courses, options courses, trader psychology courses, swing trading courses. Everything is in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then on top of all the courses, there's a video library that has over 100 hours of additional educational content with recorded workshops and webinars that we do live with all of our members. Some topics, just to name a couple: how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger, getting started trading options 101. Guys, all of this is included with your membership. No additional fee. Okay? You have the opportunity right now to pay just $12.60. Let me explain to you how insane of a value you are getting at that price point. Because if you just went to Benzinga on your own and you were to pay for their newsfeed, it would cost you $1,188 a year for that newsfeed. That is included for free with your membership. That's almost your entire membership right there. This is why I'm telling you that this offer expires at midnight. After midnight, the price goes up. The 43% off is gone. Get a free laptop and lock in that $12.60 price point before it's too late. Okay? The real-time level 1 and full book level 2 would cost $990 a year from QuoteStream. That's included for free. Okay? I've been saying 43% for a while. This is it. The last couple of days, you've been able to get a 43% discount if you've been on my live streams. That's it. Today's the last day for 43%, and now there's only 15 laptops left. Okay? That trade simulator that I showed you guys before, that would cost you $750 a year if you subscribe to it. And TradingView, they charge $720 a year for their pro charting software. Those 4 tools alone would cost you $3,648 a year if you paid for them on your own. They are all included with your membership for $12.60. Just use the coupon code TTG121. Apply code, get the 43% discount before it expires at midnight. All right? Guys, the price is going up. I'm telling you guys now. The price is going up. It's going to continue to go up as we are going to be back to $2,000 soon. Okay? We'll be back to $2,000 soon. And that's still cheaper than our competition for 10 times the value. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we've got to provide insane value and results at a price that is substantially less than our so-called competitors. Just ask our THD members, guys. Adam, show them the code real quick. Just show them where to type the code in so that they know. Here you go, guys. So Adam is showing you right now on the website, right here. That is where you enter the coupon code and click apply code to bring the price all the way down to $12.60. Okay, so there you guys can see right there on the right-hand side of your screen. That's where you enter the coupon code TTG121. All right. So guys, listen, let me actually ask you about, because for value, my THD members, what do you guys think a THD membership is worth? Sound off, comment in chat right now. You guys have experienced a full, the full platform. So if you're a member of TTG, sound off in chat. Tell me what you guys think a membership is really worth with everything that you guys get. Now, for those of you that are members. Mike Hawk, 5K. Kawakawa, 5K. KL says 2,500. Skyburst says it's priceless. Flynn Lowe says 10K easy. Jeff Corral, 10K definitely. 5K at least, says Billy B. Jason Walkenbach, 5K easy. Rassam McCall says 5K. Ranzi says it's 5K. Mark Mitchell says at least 5K. Corey Hudson says it's invaluable. Amanda K, 10K easy. Marcia Gomez says it's oh, that's not very nice, Marcia. All is well, Ed says absolutely more than 5K. Susie Laurie says 5K easy. Oh, she said priceless. I miss. Marcia, I was gonna say, what the Marcia, I was like, you're one of us. Alex Diaz, Glenn Wilson, 8,000. Alex Diaz says 5,000. Jim Dandy says priceless. 4,500 says Sujan Trout. Let me read this comment. I just signed up 2 days ago. Been hard at work studying the courses to become teaching certified since. I already feel like I made my money back. Hell yeah, Ross. Great job, man. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep going, brother. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now, my TG fam, let me ask you guys this. Don't see the link? What link? Okay. What link? To the checkout? I mean, we're typing it in chat. We're posting the link right in chat. All right. We're posting the link right there in chat for you. I want to laptop doesn't show up on receipt. Is that correct? Nonetheless, no, it does. The laptop will, yes, that's correct. Okay. It'll be in your checkout. So if it's in your checkout, okay, your receipt is only going to be for your membership because the laptop is free. We even cover the shipping. You don't even have to cover the shipping. Okay. So yes, that is correct. All right. So guys, and one more thing. Listen, some people think we're full of shit. How many of my teaching some people think we're full of shit about the laptop that we give away, but my teaching fam, if you guys got a laptop or a Kindle, just sound off in chat if you guys have gotten a laptop or a Kindle from us. Guys, watch how many of my members comment right now in chat right here that got either a laptop or a Kindle. Look. Look at all these comments. Yo, I don't even want to know how many laptops and Kindles we've given away. Thousands. Literally thousands. It's crazy. That's nuts. That's nuts. My TC fam, one more thing. One more thing. Okay? Because I think a lot of people that are not members, a lot of people would like to listen. They're like, a lot of people are like, hey, listen, that's great that you give me a free laptop. That's great. But are your members making money? Are your members making money is what a lot is the first thing that a lot of people ask. I want my TeachG members. I want you to sound off in chat right now. And don't even talk to me. I want you to talk to every single viewer that's on this live stream that is considering, that's thinking about joining, but isn't quite sure yet, that they want to know, are your members successful? If you guys are making money with your training group, sound off in chat right now. And if you're okay with it, comment on how much. Okay. What does that look like? Okay. Sound off in chat right now. Important for you guys to pay attention to the comments coming through chat. About 82 or 83% of our members into your training group have gone on to become profitable traders. This is why I'm able to offer you guys the money back guarantee that we spoke about earlier. Okay. Anyone that signs up tonight before midnight, not only are you going to get the free laptop, not only are you going to get the 43% discount before that expires at midnight, there's only 15 laptops left, but I'm also giving you a money back guarantee. All you need to do is go through all of our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend a private study group. That's it. If you do those three things and still do not make back the $1,260, that's your price of a membership tonight, I'll give you your money back. I'll give you a full refund. Why? Because look at the comments coming through chat. Travis E. Green, all 5 days last week. Since June 2020, I'm up 400K. That's insane. Savannah has turned 2,500 into 15,000. Susie Laurie is up thousands. In the last week and a half, I've made over $2,500, says Wendy Fonseca. Stephen Wilbur, $12,000 since January 4th. Okay. Leonard Poon made $6,800 on Friday alone. The Catracho, $5,000 in just the last 2 months. Jason Walkenbach made his membership back in his first 3 weeks, and so much more. Tanya Cable says, yes, we are making money and personally can hardly wait till the market opens so I can be in chat with my THD fam tomorrow. Marcia Gomez made $1,500 in just 1 week. James Sparkland made $2,500 on Friday alone. Okay, guys, this is why I'm able to offer you a money back guarantee. If my members weren't making money, I'd be a complete moron to offer you a money back guarantee. I can do this because I'm confident in the program. I'm confident in the education, because this education is what made me the trader that I am today. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, guys. I was taught this. I'm not special. There's nothing special about me. The only difference between me and you is that when I started my trading career, I was lucky enough to have professional traders on Wall Street teach me the right way to do this. I didn't have to go on YouTube and scour through hours upon hours of bullshit. That's the only difference between me and you. Literally. I didn't know anything when I got hired at the hedge fund. I was right out of college. I wasn't really trading. I didn't know what I was doing. They taught me everything that I know. I've simplified that education. I've made it available to my teaching members. This is why I put my money where my mouth is, because this education made me the trader that I am. This education is now allowing my members to make the money that they're making and have the success that they're making, that you see them commenting here in chat. We also give back to all of our members, guys. For every 300 new members that we get, we give away a free Tesla or $30,000 cash. We are well over 50% of the way there to our next one. It looks like Sunday, May 9th, we're going to be doing our giveaway, our next giveaway. So it's one lucky THD member. All you need to do is be a member of True Trading Group. That's it. And you guys can register for that giveaway for a chance to win either a brand new Tesla or $30,000. Car or the cash, it's up to the winner. They choose. No one's taking the car yet. Everyone's taking the cash. Okay? But May 9th, we're doing our next Tesla $30,000 giveaway. You guys want to make sure that you are a member and you give yourself a chance to win that. So now let's go back into this one more time. Let's recap this. When you use the coupon code TTG121 here tonight before midnight, you guys only have 2 hours left, so get moving. Okay? Before midnight tonight. Okay? There's less than 10 laptops left, or 10. Yeah, there's 10 laptops left now. Okay? Use coupon code TTG121. Okay? Go to the checkout page, enter that coupon code, click apply code. That's going to give you a 43% discount. We'll bring the price all the way down to $1,260. You're also going to get a free laptop. You're also going to get a money back guarantee. You're also going to get a chance to win $500 as soon as this live stream is over by heading over to the giveaway room for the THD Stimmy. You're also going to have a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000 on May 9th. If all of these things are not enough to get you to invest in your own education and invest in yourself, that is what this is. This is not, I'm paying for someone else's trade alerts. You are investing in yourself. You are going to be learning a skill you can take with you for the rest of your life. This is the last day to take advantage of the 43% discount. The price goes up at midnight, guys. If all of these things I said to you is not enough to get you guys to finally take control of your own lives and say, you know what, I'm going to do this. Enough is enough. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to learn the right way. If everything I just shared with you, the 43% discount, the free laptop, a money back guarantee, who offers that? We do. All day long. No problem. No hesitation. That's how confident I am this can and will work for you. A chance at $500 when we're done with this live stream and a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand on May 9th. If all of those things together are not enough to get you to say, I'm doing this, honestly, I don't know if you ever will. Maybe you're not serious enough about it. No offense. But I don't know what else you'd be looking for out of an opportunity. Next week, if small caps are hot again, you've got the biggest earnings week of the year. The market's at all-time highs. You got a Fed meeting. You have all that economic data. I just, what else would you be looking for to try to take the first step? I'm not sure if everything that I've said to you tonight still doesn't get you guys to pull the trigger. I don't think you ever will. Okay. So that's it, guys. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Okay. You guys only have a little bit of time left before that expires. Oh, hold on a second, guys. Ask me to show them. Guys, hold on. Let Adam show you. For the 7. Okay, guys, there's 7 laptops now. Adam's got the back end right now. He sees how many people are signing up and how many laptops are left. So Adam just messaged me, guys. There's only 7 laptops left. Adam, real quick, show them how to log into the giveaway room, because anyone that just joined on this live stream, you guys can actually go into the giveaway room as soon as we're done here with coupon code with password TTG2021. So Adam, just show them how to get into the giveaway room. So guys, just pay attention on your screen here. This is your member dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see a little button. It's going to say giveaway room. There it is, right there on your left-hand side, folks. Then you enter the password, you click submit, and it pulls you right into the giveaway room. All right. So for all of you that signed up during this live stream, you can go right when we're done here. You can go right into that giveaway room and you'll have a chance to win $500. All right. So there you have it, folks. All right. Again, coupon code TTG121. TTG121. Use that coupon code, guys, and then head on over to that giveaway room. Guys, thanks for joining me tonight in this live stream. Enjoy the rest of your night. I will see you all in chat tomorrow. Get a good night's sleep. Drink some sleepy time tea. Take some melatonin, whatever it is. Get a good night's sleep. It's going to be a busy week, folks. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.